In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Scrum sprint in Jira. Whether you're new to agile methodologies or just need a refresher, setting up Scrum sprints in Jira is an essential skill. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Jira. Open your web browser and navigate to the Jira dashboard where you'll see all your projects and spaces. Once you're there, the next step is to locate the Spaces or Projects option. You'll typically find this menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it to proceed. Afterwards, you need to select your specific project or space. This is where you'll be creating the Scrum sprint. Simply scroll through the list of projects, and once you've found the right one, click on it to open the project's details. With the project page opened, look for the backlog option. This is usually displayed prominently on the navigation bar. Clicking on Backlog will take you to a screen that displays your project's current tasks, stories, and issues. It's from here that you'll be managing your sprint activities. Now, to create a sprint, you'll want to find and click on the Create Sprint button located on this page. Doing this will open a new interface specifically for configuring your sprint. Once the interface is available, you'll see another Create button. Go ahead and click on that to officially start the sprint creation process. You'll be prompted to type in the necessary details for your sprint. This typically includes a name for the sprint. Enter a name that's descriptive enough to remind everyone of its purpose or scope. After inputting the sprint name, proceed to finalize by clicking on the Create button once again. At this stage, you've initiated the creation of a sprint, but it's not quite ready to start yet. For that, click on Start Sprint, which you'll find on the same page. Now you need to enter a specific name for your sprint. Choose something clear and related to the team's current focus or project stage. Then decide on the duration of the sprint. Jira often offers flexible duration options, but 2-week sprints are the most standard. Select the duration that aligns best with your team's workflow and timeline. Don't forget to choose a start date for your sprint. This will help keep everyone informed and maintain a consistent schedule. For the final touch, specify the sprint goal, a concise statement that encapsulates what the team aims to achieve by the end of the sprint. Lastly, click on the Start button to kick off your sprint officially. Your team can now begin working on assigned tasks within the context of the created sprint. And that's it. Now you know how to create a Scrum sprint in Jira. Remember, being clear and organized with your sprint planning can significantly enhance your team's productivity and focus. Best of luck with your sprints, and happy project managing.